Lesson 16, Miracles of Mind, continued. You are the master of your own destiny, and you have the power to create your own future. My dear friend, you are the master of your own destiny. You have the power within you to create your own future and to shape your life in any way you choose. It's important to recognize that your thoughts and actions have a direct impact on the reality. You experience the beliefs you hold, the goals you set, and the actions you take all play a role in shaping your life. When you take responsibility for your thoughts and actions and focus on creating the life you desire, you become the master of your own destiny. This means taking control of your life and making conscious choices that support your goals and dreams. It's important to set clear, specific goals and to take consistent action towards achieving them. When you have a clear vision of what you want to achieve and you take consistent action towards that vision, you can create your own future. Lesson 17. Always strive to improve yourself and learn new things. My dear friend, one of the keys to success and fulfillment in life is to always strive to improve yourself and learn new things by continuously developing your knowledge and skills. You can unlock new opportunities, achieve greater success, and live a more fulfilling life. Here are many ways to improve yourself and learn new things. You can take courses or workshops to develop specific skills, read books or articles to expand your knowledge, or seek out mentorship or coaching to gain insights and guidance from others. It's important to approach learning and self improvement with an open mind and a willingness to take on new challenges. This may require stepping outside of your comfort zone and embracing new experiences, but the rewards can be significant. In addition to improving your skills and knowledge, self improvement can also help to boost your confidence and self esteem, enhance your relationships, and improve your overall quality of life. In conclusion, the power of your mind is truly miraculous. It has the ability to shape your thoughts, actions, and ultimately your life. By taking control of your thoughts, you have to set clear goals and develop a positive mental attitude. You can unlock your mind's full potential and achieve incredible success and fulfillment. In all areas of your life, remember your mind is like a garden, and just like a garden, it must be tended to and nurtured in order to produce a beautiful and bountiful harvest. With persistence, hard work, and a burning desire, you can achieve your goals. You can harness the power of your subconscious mind to help you create the life you desire. So take responsibility for your thoughts and actions. Cultivate positive beliefs and always strive to improve yourself and learn new things with the right mindset and approach. Sky is the limit. Embrace the miracle of your mind and watch as it transforms your life in incredible ways. Thank you.